So the customers today decided to take advantage of that September promotion we have going on, and they're getting their 80% furnace swapped out with a new American Standard 90% efficient furnace, and they're adding air conditioning. The unit is an Ameristar that's made by American Standard to make this home nice and comfortable. Oh, I'm just shimming the outdoor unit because it has a little bit of a wobble to it, and I want to make sure that it stays put once we're all done. So what I'm doing now is I'm installing a bracket to mount it to the wall. We are in an earthquake area, so the inspectors like to see it fastened to the house, but we don't like to transfer the vibration. So I do have an isolator right here, so that way it keeps it nice and quiet for the residents. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking the thermostat wire and I'm putting it in a Carflex, Seal Tight. There's many names for it. It's pretty much a conduit that will protect the wire from the elements while it's out. They say the wire is UV rated, but it just adds an extra level of protection that most companies don't provide. Wrapped up another excellent install here at Mars Heating, where we swapped out an 80% furnace, added a new 90% efficient Ameristar furnace, along with the Ameristar outdoor unit and coil and all the custom fab here. Everything went real smooth with the fab, line set run, the flue. Pretty much every part of this job just went perfect.